Today we're unboxing a new Fujifilm camera. Let's check it out. All right, so what Fujifilm camera did I get? Let's see. Oh, look at this unboxing experience. X. All right, guys, any guesses? Any guesses? Let's make you wait longer. I just want to let you know that this camera is used, and buying used is sometimes a risk, okay? You're taking a little bit of a risk. So if you're doing eBay, make sure it's a reputable seller, which is where I got this camera from. Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace sometimes is a crapshoot. You could also use sites like KEH, B&H, Adorama. They have a lot of used cameras, so you should check them first. You're gonna pay a little more there, but you have a better return policy, and there's a little bit more peace of mind if you're buying from a used vendor. I got this guy off eBay. Let's see what it is and what condition it's in. Aww. Aww. What is it? Drum roll, please. Wow, this is beautifully packed. So here we go. What is it? And the winner is a Fujifilm X-T20. What? Now, don't you already have that camera? Yes, I do, but here it is here. Look at the condition of my Fujifilm X-T20. This camera, to me, is what works best if I want to grab and go. And you should probably think of which camera for you is a camera you always want to shoot. Now, the reason I didn't go for something like an X-T30 or anything is because I like the controls. I have so much muscle memory with this camera that I can make my switches pretty quickly. The sensor is good enough, the autofocus is good enough, and the size is perfect for me. Now, let's take a look at how it compares to the Fuji X-T20 by Omar. So as you can see, my Fuji X-T20 has been through a lot. I use it all the time. I throw it in bags. I throw it in the car. And oh my gosh, look how clean this one is. That's crazy. Am I really that dirty? Yes, you are. So it's nice to really get one that's in good condition. And what should I do with my old one? Should I just give it away to you guys? Okay, so your turn. If you were going to buy, in the comments below, let's play a game. If you were going to buy a used Fujifilm camera, which one would you pick up? All right, I'll see you guys next time.